Hi, I am Chinmay Jagga and I study in class 5. I study in Bishu Shastrinagar School, Ludhiana, Punjab. I am here to do the certification for Google Sheets Advanced. So let us start. I have made my Wiz Junior scorecard. I have done it by selecting the cells and doing it merge cell. I can undo the merge cell by clicking on merge cell. It has come with here, and if I click on merge cell, it has come. I have added the courses from here by typing a course, and these are my courses. Here easy as the quiz medium, which can be changed at 300 coins here, 200 coins here, 400 coins. Total basic, medium and tough. The total I got the certification of MCQ numbers, the certification for project, the certification of total here, total marks, and the coins and overall coins with quiz and certification coins. So let us start. Here firstly I added Google Doc Advanced. Here easy 200 coins, medium 300 coins and tough 400 coins. So 900 coins in every section, and certification MCQ 50 marks. In Google Docs I got 50 marks and project I got 44. So total 94 overall coins, 18,800 coins. Here 19,700 coins overall. So Google Drive, same points, certification MCQ 47, project 46. Certification total 93, 18,600 coins, 18,600 coins and 19,500 overall coins. YouTube certification MCQ 44, project 37, certification total 81, coins 26,200 and overall coins 17,100. So here I've got the certifications, you can see them. You can see and the coins as well. And of course the grand total, which is 2,13,500. So I have added here colors by clicking on fill color and taking the color as red. Here I typed here and I taken the font in all as IndieFlag. Here I selected these, I typed here. I typed here and then I added the color as dark orange. Here same, but here I added the color as green. Here I selected this hold shift. I clicked here, then I again hold shift here, and then I selected the fill color, taken the color as yellow. Suppose I take it green, then fill color yellow. Here is it. I selected all these firstly. And taken the color as light yellow, and in the formulas I done here equal to H5 star 200, which can get me this color, and the total of the overall coins I done it by clicking on here's formulas. Then at the same I take the formula is equal to H6 star 200, means I added the color here which has max numbers and this. So here I also added minimum and maximum. Minimum coins was 16,200 in YouTube and 17,100 as overall coins. Maximum 2,000 and overall coins 220. Maximum 20,000 and overall coins 20,900. So let us go back. And then here I have to show a chart with my course, the total coins I have earned. So I have made it firstly. You can see my chart. Google Keep 8.1, Google Calendar 8.9, Google Forms 8.8, Google Sites 9.8, Google Slides Beginner 9.8, Google Search 8.7, Google Sheets Beginner 9.8, Google Blogger 9.8, Google YouTube 8, Google Drive 9.1, Google Docs 9.2. So in this all I got the numbers, and this is my chart. If you need to insert any more chart, you can click on chart, insert chart. Here you can take on any of your chart. So now let us see. Here, now show course in which you have earned maximum and done. Sort a filter the data course name wise. Yes. So where is filter? Yes, here is filter. I do save as filter, name filter. So this is my filter. So I'll select this line will be selected. Here this line. If I'll click on this one till here, if I'll click on this one, the all will be selected. Then to take out the filter, you can click on filter 1 here, or you can click on undo, and the filters are closed. So let us recap. Required features is formatting done. Merging cells, I'll tell you in the starting. Calculation with formulas. Okay. Calculation with formulas here has the grand total. I also here I added equal to sum J3 dot J13, which means by this it added my answer of the overall coins as I selected it. Then I clicked on here. Then I added here selected here, and I got the total and minimum maximum. I told you. Here calculation formulas, data validation, allow text in coins columns, done. Add conditional formatting in a particular range, done. Sorting also done. Filtering done. Shown the charts. So that's all from my side. Chinmay Jagga signing off. Bye.